When you have a couple of beautiful blackberries, like I have behind me, and then you have one that looks like this, your gut instinct is to say, this blackberry is dead. Let's take it out and replace it with something. But before you do that, do a little investigation and try to determine whether or not it's alive, truly alive or dead. It may just be a different variety, and it may take it a little bit longer to come out. This one was planted quite a bit later than the two behind me. So let's do some checking here. And a good way is to, without doing a lot of damage, is to cut into the bark just a little bit and try to determine whether the cambium layer is brown or green. This one is brown, so this twig is dead. But let me go right here, check this stem right here. It's also dead. I'm going down to the main trunk now. Dead. This plant is dead. Now I will show you what live tissue looks like. Look at that. Green, healthy. If I had found any of that down there, I would have given that another chance. With a lot of even ornamentals around the house, they look really, really bad after the winter. But give them a chance. Give them a chance. You know, don't rush. And I'm speaking from experience because I've done that and I've taken some plants out that I should have left.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.